Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Apsita if you just tuned in, and thank you so much for being so patient with me. I know I'm so sorry. My sincere apologies that I could not post this week any videos because it was a terrible sick week for me, guys. I am still recovering. I don't know, I've been feeling very weak. I just had a very bad cough, cold, and then I got my vaccine, the second shot, and then I fell sick, and it was terrible. And I'm like, my body is just as if I'm in air, floating in air. I've been feeling terrible and very weak. So somehow I try to squeeze in some time. It's Sunday night, and my kids, I've been juggling work. You won't believe, multitasking can get so worst for mom sometimes because I got ready and I just wanted to do a quick video because this video I wanted to do it at night time, or like, you know, after dark, because I usually don't prefer doing any videos at night or after it gets dark. I like doing it in the bright light, bright daylight. But this was something I just want to show you. It's another of styling and beauty vlog, and I hope you like it. And I just got ready and I'm pausing it and then just going and giving food to my kids and then just coming back and shooting this video. So guys, if you really like this video, just like my previous styling videos, and please give me a thumbs up, please, and like and subscribe, please, my friends. I need a lot of your support. Thank you so much for being there with me, for being so patient, and for being so sweet. Thank you, guys. So let me quickly start this video, and I need to wrap up so that I can put them to bed. And so today, what I want to do is, like, you know, slowly, hopefully our life is going to get back to the old normal, and we'll have our parties, night outs, restaurant visits, or parties at restaurants, at with your friends, with your like, you know, or if you're going out on a date, or like, you know, or just hanging out around with friends. So I hope, giving our fingers crossed, that everything is going to be back to normal. And until then, let's fight this together, and let's follow the safety rules. Try to be at home, try to wear your mask, keep washing your hands, and keep sanitizing it again and again if you're going out, and that way you can just be safe. And so friends, with that thought, like, you know, our normal party life will be back, because we know we are social beings and we love parties. So this video is about how to like, suppose, you know, if it is a night party, or after dark or evening party, I usually, okay, so at night, when we are going out, like, you know, after dark parties, I usually like wearing blinks sometimes, because, you know, that is one of the secret photography pro tip, that if you wear some blinks, especially earrings, or the neck piece or the necklace, it brightens your face, and it gives you a very good picture perfect look, because it kind of steals, or it kind of brightens up your overall look. So even if you are not happy with what you're wearing, if you have the perfect bling piece of jewelry, then I'm sure you will rock those pictures, and you will love looking at it, like, you know, later. So I don't prefer wearing too much of bling in the daytime, during daytime parties or outings. I like wearing at night, because I feel it's like little, it makes us little feel free, and, you know, we just be cool. And instead of wearing too much of makeup or too much of jewelry, you can just go for a simple dress and a simple bling jewelry, and then just rock your look. Okay, so let's do it, my friends. So it's all about bling 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 and I hope you like this video, my friends. Okay, so I'm keeping a simple dress. It's a puffy sleeves, my favorite. I'm wearing it for the second time in this another video, and it's a long black dress. I love black. You all know, I think by now you all know that my most favorite color is black, but I prefer other colors too sometimes. Depends on my mood and my vibes, like how I want to feel when I'm going out, or when I'm wearing a particular kind of an outfit. So friends, Another tip for your styling is like, if you really want to leave your hair down and leave it loose rather than doing a ponytail or going for any hairstyle, so just, you know, try maybe before an hour, before you step out, like an hour or two, just keep it, like, you know, tie it very loose with a rubber band, and then you can see, you know, it just love the flow. I just don't want to prefer doing anything else. um, so see, look at the flow and the waves. So what I do is, like, you know, when I'll just brush my hair and do a very light tight ponytail. Like, I'll not go for very tight ponytail, I'll just keep it loose, and you can see how it is, the waves and the flow, and it looks amazing with the simple dress. So that was my secret. So you can check the difference, like when I was tying my hair and now when I leave it loose. I hope you like this look, and I hope you like these tips. I'm keeping my jewelry or other accessories very, very simple, even my earrings, because I'm going to try on some really blingy jewelries. So I'll quickly do this video, my friends, because I know it was already a week late and I could not post anything, so I just thought I'll quickly come in and do this quick video for you guys. And again, my friends, a disclaimer, I'm not doing this showing my jewelries or my collection to brag about it, but it's just my years of collection which I want to showcase, and I want to share with you guys. I know all of you must be having some of your favorite, not some, maybe many favorite jewelries that you would like to wear. So these videos are going to help you, give you the tips, like, you know, when to wear what, when you like really feel confused having so many jewelries or having different types of jewelry. So I hope these videos give you those ideas what to pull out from your jewelry box. So this is my most blingy jewelry. I got it from my husband on my last birthday. And my friends, before I share something else, this Tuesday, that is on 18th of May, is my birthday. I'm turning 40, and I am doing something special for my like, you know, a special giveaway on my business account, like that is BU Wellness Top. And I just want to remember this day in some special way, so I thought I'll just do a giveaway contest, but that is only for my local friends here, and I hope I'll do something for you guys too someday. Okay, so this was gifted by my husband on my last year birthday, and so let me go ahead and try this on. And you can see, check out the look. Okay, I was already wearing a blingy thing, but this was very subtle kind necklace. But let me just remove this quickly. And see this. So you can just pair it with a, it has got little pearls plus little these kind of, like, you know, blings. So it looks, I love this necklace, and yeah, it was a surprise gift from him again. So yeah, this is how it looks. So see how you can just pair up with a simple dress and a bling necklace. And moving on to the next one. So I have kind of collected, I want to show you all kind of little bling jewelries that I'll not prefer wearing during the day. And this is my second one. It's like more of a pearl plus little golden, a touch of golden here. And this can go, I can wear it in the morning too with a Indian outfit, with a sari or with a long dress. But I just I thought it's like little too bright, and I would prefer wearing it in the evening. So this is how it is, my friends. So you can go for this one. I can, like, you know, I can make it a little longer, and you can just go for a simple look with this necklace. Evening parties. Okay, this is like too bold for me, but I can still try to tone it sometime during the daytime too with some outfit. Okay, so this is how it is, and I think all these jewelries will look amazing in the under the bulb light, or under LED light, or under disco light if you're going out to the parties, or to the or to a restaurant, or to a, so this is how it is. You can just, you know, go for a high collar dress and then wear it like this. See how beautiful that flow is. So I would love to go wear it in the evening, then in the daytime to any parties. But it's completely your choice, my friends. These are just ideas and something that I would like, but you can always mix and match and go for what you like. So this is also something very simple. If you remember, I showed it last Christmas. I got this from a store, and this girl, if you remember, I just love her. So I can just, you know, go for this too, and easy breezy. I just don't want to wear too many things because I want to feel comfortable and move around, or, you know, relax when I'm having my dinner, or I'm just sitting and chit-chatting. So I prefer all these jewelries because they are not not that disturbing, or like, you know, it's not going to be itchy, or it's not going to hurt my skin, so it'll be like cool to wear. So this is the next one. You can wear like this. And so this was a quick video, and I think I'm done. Before I let you go, I'll just quickly show you two of my earrings. Okay, I'll quickly show you two of my bling earrings that I would love to wear for night outs. Check out these tassel earrings, and they are they're so perfect for evening. Crazy me. Sorry guys, I have to rush because I don't want my kids to be late for school tomorrow. They should go to bed early. And girls, I hope you like this. I know you have been watching my videos, so thank you so much for doing that, and please let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. So this is how it is, friends. So what you can do is, like, you know, so that your earrings will be prominent, you can just go for a clip here, or like, you know, clip your ears, or you can just leave it out either too. So they blend in with black, but they have like these beautiful multicolored stones here, so they look perfect for your picture. So this is just an idea. You may go for it in the daytime too. And the last one is like really bright and bold, and I would really prefer wearing it in the evening than during the day. Oops, I've been dropping things, sorry. This was my Valentine's Day gift. So you must have seen my previous videos with this earring too. And this is how it is. So you can just go for a simple makeup. And friends, today I did not do any makeup. Okay, I forgot those things that I wanted to show you. I used just two products from Artistry, and I haven't done any makeup today. No foundation, nothing. It's, you know, the secret is I just used eyeliner, and what I used is this amazing lip gloss. I have had this from years. This is from Laura Mercier, and I love this color. So I usually prefer, whenever I prefer a subtle look, beautiful, simple, gorgeous look. So what I do is I just try, I don't go for bright lipsticks either. And this is another tip. If you are really going out in the evening, don't try to put bright dark lipstick. Sometimes just go for these subtle colors of lip gloss, because they're a little shiny, and anything shiny, blingy will look amazing in the evening or at night. So here I go. So you can see I did not put any bright lipstick. I just want to, I love keeping my outfit simple yet graceful and stunning, and it should stand out. So that's why I try creative ways to present myself to the world, or every time when I step out of the house. So I hope you like this video, my friends, and it's time for me to say goodbye. But this week I'll have a lot of interesting videos because it's my birthday. Yay! And I'm turning 40. It feels so good to be free and liberating when you're 40. Like, you know, just you don't care about any dramas around you, and you kind of like, you know, feel so amazing and kind of no strings attached. So you live your life, you live your dreams, and you do what you like doing, and you don't care when people criticize you. You just let go everything, and you just, you know, be a free bird and just live your life. Because come on, I'm 40 now, and I have my own life, I have my own freedom. So that's how the feeling is, and I'm like really excited to look forward to it. So friends, without further ado, I'll see you in a lot of other videos this week. Stay with me, please subscribe, like and subscribe, and please continue your support. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with new videos. And I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments. I love reading your comments and replying back to them. So bye guys, and have an amazing week ahead. Bye.